We are going to start. We start with prayer. Second is introduction. The last one is to learn about our group. Now, my name is Nato Job, the chairperson of Katuspi. Katuspi in full is Kangulumira Kayunga, Uganda International City of Peace. What is your name? Halima. Two names. You have only one. Your name? Shakira. Your name? What is your name? Your name is Madina. The next name? Naikuru. My friend, what is your name? Speak louder. David. Your name? What is your name? Your name? Johnson. Hey, today we are very few, but yesterday we are many. Sit down, please. What? We are learning about our group. Our group is called Katuspi. Who knows Katuspi in full? Yes.
Kangulumira Kayunga District, Uganda International City of Peace.
Fantastic. What is Katuspi? Katuspi is a peace organization. What is our motto? Very good. Golden rule for a life. The very important thing to know about our group. The chairperson of our group is Nato Job. I'm the one speaking. Is the chairperson of the group. I have two other names. There is another name from music industry. Who knows third name? Yes. Mr. Wak is from music. And which type of music do we practice?
Gospel.
We practice gospel. For us, we love God. We know there is only one God who is there. It's everywhere. But we know that God who created the heaven and the earth. Who knows our God? Who is our God? I have told you, you have forgotten. I have told you that our God is the one who created the heaven and the earth. Everybody repeat that statement. Yeah, every day we shall be learning this. We learn about God and we learn about our group. And the music that we practice is gospel, which is mainly about God. Today we are very few, but when you go back, you tell the parents to allow the children to come in our group, and we have large number